We are demonstrate chloride test kit. AQUASOL AE213 test kit is used to check chloride of the water sample. Kit contains reagent CD1, CD2, CD3L2, CD3L5, test jar and spoon. Take the test jar and fill the sample up to the 10 ml mark. Now add 1 spoonful of CD1. Then close the bottle tightly. Mix well to dissolve. Now add dropwise CD2 till the sample turns yellow. Mix well. To estimate the value of chloride, we will add CD3L2 dropwise, count the number of drops while mixing until the color change from yellow to violet. Number of drops of CD3L2 reagents multiplied by 2 is the chloride of the sample. If the sample is more than 40 ppm of chloride, repeat the same procedure using CD3L5 reagent.